Tourist places in Kodaikanal that make it incredibly beautiful. There is no denying the fact that Kodaikanal is one of the most breathtaking hill stations the state of Tamil Nadu has to offer. Nestled amidst towering granite cliffs, verdant valleys, tranquil lakes and cascading waterfalls, it is a true feast for the senses. Perched at an altitude of a little over 2000 meters, this splendid place has been a popular summer getaway in the region owing to its salubrious weather and eye-pleasing environs. Silver Cascade Falls. Although a number of waterfalls are located within a short drive of Kodaikanal, Silver Cascade Falls is often the first one from the list that tourists choose to visit during their holiday. It is the majesty of this picture-perfect landform which coaxes them to do so. The white water plummeting over the many steps of this over 50-meter tall waterfall appears more like milk than water. It's also a somewhat silvery grey and perhaps that's why it has been named Silver Cascade. Kodaikanal Lake. The centerpiece of Kodaikanal, Kodai Lake is often the first point of interest that vacationers visit on their trip to the hill station. The stunning man-made water body engulfed by undisturbed greenery is one of the most picturesque sights you will find in all of Tamil Nadu. But its natural beauty isn't the only thing that draws the hordes of tourists. Bryant Park, Kodaikanal. Just east of the serene Kodaikanal Lake is an equally captivating site called Bryant Park, a botanical garden which gives you a chance to behold the majesty of nature in all its glory. This 20.5-acre site was built more than 100 years ago by a British officer by the name H.D. Bryant, after whom it is named. Besides manicured flower beds, the park is also marked with old structures that make it worth a visit. Pillar Rocks. If there's one word that perfectly describes Pillar Rocks, it is mystical. The spot derives its name from the three 120-meter tall boulders. This place is not only famed for the three giant pillars but is also one of the best viewpoints you will find in Kodaikanal and its surrounding areas. On a good day, you can even witness clouds forming just below the tip of the boulders. Needless to say, it is one of the most bewitching sights you ever get to see. Pine Forest. Situated in the southwest of Kodaikanal, Pine Forest is one of the most famous tourist spots in the city. It showcases the mesmerizing nature around which has been preserved to date, which is why it is also an important preserved heritage in the town. Pine forests came into existence due to the efforts put in by Mr. Bryant, as he was the one to stake the pine plantations to grow the timber in the year 1906. The sight of pine trees present in abundance and welcoming you to their world is nothing but nature's wonder, with the forests appearing grey with bright cones and leaves. Guna Cave or Devil's Kitchen. Located between the humongous Pillar Rocks is another renowned tourist attraction in Kodaikanal known as Guna Caves or Devil's Kitchen. The place only lured a handful of hikers until it was popularized by the movie named Guna, which was shot here in the early 1990s, giving the place its name. Today, the caves remain as one of the most sought-after places to visit in Kodaikanal, drawing people in large numbers. However, you can only view the caves from a distance as they remain closed due to security reasons. Moya Point. If the idea behind your journey to Kodaikanal is to behold magnificent sceneries, then Moya Point is another spot to not miss. It is named after Sir Thomas Moyer, who laid the foundation of Goshen Road in the late 1920s. We warned already that the place can be a little crowded during the peak travel season, as every tourist in town wants to marvel at the beautiful scenery visible from here. Apart from photography, which is a go-to here, you can also indulge in other activities such as a game of golf. Dolphin's Nose. The place gets its name from its appearance, which is quite similar to the nose of a dolphin, jutting out from a mountain and offering bird's-eye views of the marvelous landscape below. It lies about 6 kilometers from the center of Kodaikanal. The journey to the attraction is a treat in itself, as one gets to hike through the pristine scenery. It is one of those places that you can't get enough of. Mist acting as a whale adds to the splendor of the sight.